Anyways, in case of CBDC project development, the important factors that affect the go no go could also be external driven. And in this case, IMF had detailed out a very beautiful sort of a case study of Israel's central bank, where Israel's central bank had listed down potential scenarios wherein their central bank could decide to not issue a central bank digital currency. Let's actually discuss the reasons that they would be compelled to get into the digital shekel. The first one was that all other countries that they have a trade relationship with start issuing CBDCs and start using CBDCs predominantly. So that could be one major external reason that forces them to also start adapting and issuing CBDCs over there. The next is that the legitimate use of cash and the acceptance of legitimate cash in legitimate transactions starts declining rapidly in Israel. And while cash to date is a widely accepted means of payment, as we move more and more towards a digital world, digital life cycle that all of us have, the ability to make cash-based transactions will also start declining, right? So that could be another external factor. The third external factor could be that there is a huge acceptance of private currencies like Bitcoin or other stable coins as well. The fourth reason could be that there is the competition in the domestic payment ecosystem itself starts diminishing, and there's concentration of market risks in certain pockets of their domestic payment systems. The fifth consideration could be technological developments. It may just turn out that there is significant technological advancements that justify building out a digital shekel.